And today I will discuss about the Java 8 features. What are the new features which are very useful? So you can see I have a program here. Just ignore this method. So you can see I have the old way of adding the number from 1 to 100. So I'm running a for loop and using a variable sum, and I'm adding the values one by one to it. Then I'll be printing the sum. But in Java 8 we have this way of creating an integer stream. So this is the method given by Java 8. So this class basically have this method range closed. So this basically creates a stream from 0 to 100, which we have passed as a parameter, and we call this sum method on it. So this will create an integer stream from 0 to 100, and it will sum up all the integers. We can assign it to long or integer as well, and then we can print it out. I will run this program so that we can see it in action. Now you can see this is the first output of this system out println, and then this is sum using stream. So you can see even this is also able to add up from 0 to 100. Now we will see another feature. I will comment this out. So another feature where what I'm trying to do over here is I have created a list using this arrays as list. I have duplicates over here, duplicate numbers, and I have assigned it to integer list. In this program I'll show you two ways of removing the duplicates from a array list. So this is the old way where we are running a for loop, and this is the integer list which we have created, and this is the unique list. It will store the values with only unique values. Now you can see this unique list have this method contains, which is a method which belongs to list. It will check whether this list already contains particular integer. So using this for loop I'm checking whether this unique list already contains this integer or not. If it is not containing that integer, then I will simply add this to this unique list. This way it will contain only the unique integers in the unique list. But here you can see the same way I am doing it using the Java 8 functionality. So I am creating a unique list 1, and then I am creating a stream out of this list, and then this is the stream, then distinct method on it, then collect, and then collectors.list. So basically this stream is converting this list to a stream, then distinct is basically considering only the distinct elements, then collect method will do the collection of those values, and then it will convert to a list and it will assign to the unique list. So previously I had run this, as you can see the unique list contains these unique values only. There is no duplicate values, and even the unique list one also contain this unique values. Let me run it again for you with this part commented out, and I will put a string over here to make it more clear that we are printing out the unique list. So you can see this unique list contains the unique values, and even this unique list one also contains these unique values. There are no duplicate values as such over here. Thank you all.